Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I will show you how to fix all Windows Update error problems in Windows 11 or Windows 10. We have four methods here on how you can fix this problem on your Windows Update. So first, open the File Explorer and then click on this PC. And then click on this Drive C, and then once you double click this one, you'll find all these folders, and then I just want to click this Windows, and then once you double click this, try to find the software distribution. So scroll down until you find the software distribution, and from here all you need to do is delete all these junk files right here. So just click all these one and then click on the trash icon at the top so you can delete all of these folders right here. And then we can go on the second method. Now the second method is make a troubleshoot on your computer. So let's go back to the home screen, then click on the search icon right here at the bottom left corner. And then from here, just to type right here, troubleshoot. And then from here, just click on troubleshoot settings. Then you'll find this option here. As you can see, just click other troubleshooters and then find the Windows Update option. Then click on run button. So you just have to wait for a few minutes until it fixes the issue on your computer. So now the third method on how you can fix this problem is go to the search box again at the bottom left and then type right here CMD, and then you'll find the command prompt app. Then right here all you need to do is click on run as administrator. And then here on the command prompt, just type sfc forward slash then scan now. So once you've done that, it will now fix all the bugs or issues on your computer. Now let's go and close this window right here and let's go to the fourth method on how we can fix this problem on your Windows. So you just go to start menu and right click the start menu icon, then click on this run button. And here on the text box, you need to type right here services.msc. And then from here, you need to find the Windows Update. So scroll down until you find the Windows Update button. So right here, you just need to double click this one. And then it should open up this option here where you can set the default to the automatic option. So once you've done changing the default into automatic, so all you need to do is just restart your computer, and once you reopen your computer you'll find, or it should fix the error on your Windows. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.